Welcome to Indian Railway. Electrical maintenance of AC coaches. AC coach in maintenance yard of railway. Let's see SBC panel inside of AC coach. Open the door by clicking on handle. Open the door by clicking the highlighted button. Turn on the earthing rod. Power supply, 750V AC, comes from IVC, intervehicular coupler, to feeder junction box and then to DED, via 06 numbers 125A HRC fuse. Firstly, power comes to disconnecting earthing device. Disconnecting an earthing device, DED, is used for coach isolation in case of any emergency during run. It isolates the feeder supply to the coach and connect the coach circuit to ground potential to take away all the electric energy. Open the door by clicking the highlighted button. These two switches are called net selector power supply switches. When DED is switched on, power supply is provided to feeder contactor, K01 and K02. After selecting desired feeder, net 1 or net 2, one of the feeder contactor provides the power supply to the 60 kVA transformer. Kindly close the door by clicking on highlighted button. Open the door by clicking the highlighted button. These two contactors are called K01, K02. K01 is charged when net 1 is selected and K02 is charged when net 2 is selected. From SBC panel, power comes to net selector switch, which has two types, net 1 net 2, whereas net 1 equals K01 and net 2 equals K02. Kindly close the door by clicking on highlighted button. From net 1 net 2 power comes here, net 1 equals 3 fuses and another 3 fuses for net 2. Kindly close the door by clicking on highlighted button. Open the door by clicking the highlighted button. Turn on the lighting control MCBs. Turn on the MCB F36. F36 MCB is switched on to operate monoblock pumps in AC coaches. Kindly close the door by clicking on highlighted button. Open the door by clicking the highlighted button. Turn on the motor switch. Pump controller is used for controlling of monoblock pumps available in coaches. In pump controller, when on is selected, then 01 pump starts to run for a selected interval of time, 4 hours, and then it automatically switches to another pump. Manual switches are also given to run any one of the desired pump manually. Monoblock pump capacity equals 0.5 HP for 15 VAC, 3-phase, is used for water raising purpose from water tank in coaches. Kindly close the door by clicking on highlighted button. "60 kVA transformer received K01 K02 supply from fader contractor, 750V, and gives 415 volt supply to SBC panel again. 60 kVA transformer steps down 750V AC supply to 415 VAC. 415 VAC is used in various equipment available in the coach such as RMPU unit, pumps etc. RMPU, 7-ton for conditioning and provide cooling, heating, ventilation in coach for all 72 passengers. Open the door by clicking the highlighted button. Turn on MCBs. F35 MCB is switched on to operate AC equipments in AC coaches. Kindly close the door by clicking on highlighted button. Open the door by clicking the highlighted button. It controls the RMPU unit which is in SBC panel. Microprocessor is used for controlling of AC equipments available in RMPU unit for provision of desired cooling or heating in AC coaches. Kindly close the door by clicking on highlighted button. RMPU means roof-mounted package unit and it consists of 02 No condenser motor, 02 numbers compressor, 01 No evaporator motor and 01 No heater unit. Every trip we need to clean by compressed air. Every trip we need to clean this and it is cleaned by water. Transformer, capacity 5 kVA, 415 volt, 3-phase, mobile charging device. 05 kVA transformer steps down 415 VAC, phase voltage, to 190 VAC, phase voltage, or 110 VAC, line voltage, for use of mobile chargers. Water storage tank. There are two fuse box, one is positive, other is negative fuse box. Thank you for watching.